Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Accord that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you have one of those, you need to find where the horn fuse is located. Stay with us, we're going to explain that in this video today. Horn fuse, where it's located. If your horn doesn't work, always check that fuse first. Where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today. Absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether, we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays. That way you don't waste your money. So the horn fuse, let's explain where it's located on 2010 Honda Accord that we have right here, guys. Fun fact about that car, you have 3 different fuse boxes. We have a special video that explains where the fuse boxes are located. Luckily enough, we'll be working in just one of them today, and that's the one under the hood. Open your hood, and right here, this is your main fuse box, right there. Open that cover, guys. Once you open it, you will see the fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Now, before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. And here, which fuse we need to check specifically, okay, for the horn. If we zoom in, you will notice that you have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be really expensive. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a good price and quick shipping. But if you come in that row of fuses, starting from the right going to the left, you count fuse number 9, 10. That 10M fuse, guys, that's for multiple things, and one of them is, okay, for the horn right here. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.